Order and recognize Councillor DiPaolo for a prayer and for leading us in the Pledge of Allegiance.
Thank you, Lieutenant Governor. This morning I ask us to put in our thoughts those who have been affected by natural disasters across the nation, especially recently in Hawaii. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice.
How's everybody doing today?
Beautiful summer day.
It really is. This was the day to put Gone Fishing on the door. I'd like to recognize Councillor Kennedy for a motion to record advice and consent for the financial warrant.
So move, Governor.
Thank you. Seconded by Councillor Iannella. All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? The ayes have it. I'd like to recognize Councillor Devaney for a motion to record advice and consent for the pending list of notaries public and justices of the peace. Thank you. Is there a second? Seconded by Councillor Iannella. All those in favor? Aye. Those opposed? The ayes have it. We also have before us a reappointment to the Office of Public Administrator. I'd like to recognize Councillor Jacobs for a motion to record advice and consent for the reappointment of Daniel Graves to the position of Public Administrator for Franklin County.
I'm very happy to make that motion.
Excellent. Is there a second? Seconded by Councillor Ferreira. I don't think we have a roll call necessary for this one, so all those in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? The ayes have it. I don't think we have any other business other than to wish for a healthy and fun end of summer for everyone as we hit these last few weeks of August. I'd entertain a motion to adjourn. Motion made by Councillor Jacobs. Is there a second? Seconded by Councillor Ferrer. All those in favor, all those opposed, the ayes have it.
I love the way you run a meeting, by the way.
Devaney, is there,
Lieutenant Governor,
Councillor Devaney, we did
busy, so I don't want to take up your time, but I just want to
adjourn the meeting, so if you want to offer anything, we did vote on adjourning the meeting.
One thing, can we adjourn for a moment of prayer for someone I know who is very private, who is dying of cancer?
Thank you. Sure, we can, the meeting's adjourned, but I think collectively we are happy to have a moment of recognizing someone who is suffering in your life. Thank you for that.
God, she says,